Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Akhil Kakkar,
Author of.
Daftar Doodles, funny office memes.
So how do you feel coming to the world's largest book fair?
Pretty good. It's an experience in itself and definitely big. I'm tired. I was on the one side and I came to the other side and I'm tired already.
Have you been here before as a reader?
Oh yes, I have for sure.
So
I was
now
here
you're
last
here as
year
an
also.
author with your book.
Yes,
placed
yes,
here.
yes.
Okay.
That feels really good. I was here last time also, last year
Okay.
also.
Oh, right,
yes,
right,
yes,
right.
yes.
That's
So it feels really good.
I've never seen a book like this, which is just. Is it a collection of memes?
It's a collection of memes. So I have an Instagram account called Daftar Jargon
Right.
by Akhil Kakkar, and I do funny office memes, and this is a
Right.
collection of some memes from there and some new memes too.
Right. So is this just like a collection of memes, or do you also have like text and do you write things as well?
So yeah, I am, and I have an MA in creative writing from Brunel
right.
University, London, and
Right.
I've been published in various newspapers, magazines,
Right.
and stuff like that. I've written fiction, I've written non-fiction,
Right.
and stuff like that. But this is the first book I've been a part as a collaborator in books, but this is
Right.
the first individual book that I have.
Right. That's wonderful. So what is the best feedback you've gotten about this book?
The best feedback I've gotten is that I had to put my hand on my tummy because I was laughing so much.
Oh wow, that's like for a person who makes jokes, that's the ultimate like
And
validation.
it's that actually that lines on Goodreads and Amazon reviews too on my books. So yeah.
That's wonderful.
Yes, yes,
Thank you so much for
Thank
sharing
you
this
so
with
much
us.
too.
Thank you so much for visiting. I hope
Nice
you have a
meeting you.
wonderful book fair. Thank
Thank you so much. Cheers.